I see why she likes to live out here.
Those are 95. It makes a turn.
And look at what this sign says up here, this big yellow one. What does it say? Freeway ends, that's right. So that's where the 515 ends and the 93, 95 begins?
It's just 515 N.
Right. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Oh yeah, and 515. Oh, cool. There's the junction for the 95.
The Hoover Dam, 13.
13 miles.
You have to turn left in Boulder City.
You're right. I do have to turn left. Or we can go to downtown Boulder City. Either one, whichever way you want to go. We can go through Boulder City or we can go around Boulder City.
Around Boulder.
Okay. This is the railroad pass. I was way off. This is where the speed limit slows down a little bit.
Look, it slows down to 50. That's a fast speed limit.
It's pretty fast. For a freeway, it's not so fast, but
This is fast. Like this speed, like
not yet. I'm not gonna get it. You know why? Because I'm not gonna get in the way of the people who are going faster than I am. If you're not driving as fast as the people in the left lane, you have to stay in the right lane on a freeway. You see this sign up here on the right?
it look 95 goes off.
Yep. And then what does that say? Welcome
95.
to. Did you see that? It said welcome to Boulder City.
There's one. Hey, the 95.
There's
No,
the
now we're on the 93.
Now we're on the 93.
Look, that ramp's the 95.
There it is. Are we
The
going?
ramp, that's the 95. The ramp's the 95.
The ramp is the 95. You're right. And now we're on the 93.
And then 95 goes into Mexico.
There it goes.
Look, it's that's where the 95.
Wait, hang on, let me look. Yep. Oh, and see, do you see out there that kind of shiny white surface? They built a whole bunch of solar panels out there. It's really cool. I think if you went out there, you would actually really like it, buddy. It's really, really neat.
If we stayed on the 95,
Yeah, we could go and see the solar panels, or we could go to Mexico. No.
that.
Okay, so here's our speed limit. We gotta go 55 now. It's gonna start getting a lot slower.
Left lane.
No, sir.
When?
When it's time, not yet. about going over the speed limit. They get a little upset. That sign says Hoover Dam, be at 93, use the left lane.
Buchanan.
Buchanan.
Is 93.
Mm-hmm.
93 is Buchanan.
That's Buchanan. Buchanan is to the right, 93 is to the left. Go downtown. Can you see okay?
Yeah.
Can you see out the front at all or no? 'Cause I want when we come around this corner, I want you to see how cool this is, kiddo. Keep looking out the front, you'll see what I mean. EJ, look. You see it? You see the lake?
Yeah, I see. It's the lake.
There it is.
And this.
I was wondering when you're going to see it.
We're almost there.
We are. Getting close, my dear.